a scale, and a PC in every single one of the shipping locations that they were setting up around the world. They have over 3 million. And they said, well, why couldn't we just put it all on an MFP? So we partnered with Pitney Bowes, and we're going to show you the new Pitney Bowes Send Station. Now the Send Station turns any HP MFP into an instant point that you can ship products and documents immediately from any location. If we look at the Send Station app, and if we can get the user interface on the display, please. Thank you. If we look at the app, we've got two apps on the display here. You can see a Send Station and a Send Station. Now the reason we put both on there is quite deliberate. The first app is unique to the Indian market, and we have a number of unique apps for different shipping providers to enable us to create a lock-in with that shipping provider, so that that shipping provider can then work with their entire community of users, locking the users into their own shipping and shipping HP printers as the endpoint shipping tool, enabling the tiny business economy that's producing things like this and sending them out in boxes like this every day to simply buy an HP printer and no longer have to walk down, I'm not sure what it is in India, but to the local FedEx store or the USPS store or whatever it may be to ship these. So how does it work? I'm going to log into the US version. I'm sure we'll hopefully make it a little bit more understandable, because I don't understand Farsi Indian, so it would have been a bit awkward. So when we open the Send Station app, the first thing you can see is it's signed me in. We automated the sign in for you. And I've got three options. I can send a parcel, I can track a parcel, or I can pick up a parcel. So what we're going to do, we're going to send a parcel. Here I have a parcel like we heard earlier. It's a cable management system, which you're all taking advantage of on the floor here, stopping you tripping up. And I'm going to send it out to my customer. So I'm just going to select send, and you can see it's now providing me with two. I think in the US, Pitney Bowes supports up to 5 different shipping providers. And I'm going to select, I'll just drag that up, USPS, as an example. And it's now presenting me with, well, where is this being sent from? And obviously, because I've signed in as me, it knows me, so I can just select myself from the database. And I'm going to select continue. Now what it now does is it uses Pitney Bowes' global database of shipping destinations and pickup points, and it's matched what I've entered to the verified address. I'll select the verified address, and it's now asking me where I want to send it to. Now again, I've actually, to save me typing this in, I've pre-programmed a number of destinations, and I'm going to select this location here. We're going to send it here. I'm going to hit continue. And again, deliberately I made an error in entering that data, and it shows you the Pitney Bowes software again correcting my error. So I can select that, making sure it matches USPS's exact shipping details. We now have two things we can do, and this will work for boxes. It'll also work for envelopes and mail, white mail. We can select a standard package box, which is what this is for USPS. And it presents you with the standard package boxes. I'm going to select the one that matches, which is this one here. And now you can see that it's saying, please place the box on the scale. And we have a scale here. Now, in normal circumstances, the scale is connected to the printer via a USB cable, and it weighs the package. Unfortunately, this scale, when it was shipped to us for this demo, features a brand new user interface that you put your finger into the scale, and you're supposed to press that button. Unfortunately, the button has gone. It's inside the scale. It was damaged. So I can't press it. So I'm just going to manually enter the weight as 31 ounces. And I'm going to hit continue. What it now does is it's in real time communicating and say what services are available. Now there's obviously an irony here you can see on the screen, because one of the services that's available is special fragile handling. So obviously I should have selected that. I'm not going to select that again, because you should always pass it forward. And I'm going to select continue, and it immediately pulls back the rate. Now here's the beauty of this if I'm a small business, or if I'm simply walking into a Regis location and using this in a shared office. It brings back Pitney Bowes leveraged rates for shipping. It's not the same as walking into a USPS location. I'm already saving money and streamlining the experience because I'm working and shipping from where I am. I'm going to simply say I want to do that. Now this is the demo server. Alongside this, you would then pay, utilizing your account. This isn't asking for the payment, and what it's now doing is it's printing my shipping label. So in this device, it's now printing the shipping label. You'll see the label come out of the device. It comes out on label stock, and all you do is stick that to the box, and a few hours later, the box will be collected from the printer and shipped. The other beautiful thing, and just to prove that's real, there is the shipping label on there. So all I do, we haven't got label stock installed in the printer, but I'll just stick that on there. And what you'll now see, let me just go out there. I can now go in and I can track the shipping of that package on the printer. Obviously, I can reprint the label if I want to. I can access this from my phone. I can access this from my PC. A brand new business model. Because the beauty of this is the reseller gets to share in the shipping profit. So as a result, we're providing our partners with a new way to make money and monetize services.